To make a tahini sauce at home takes literally a few minutes and just a few simple ingredients. I'm using 1 cup of raw tahini paste, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, the juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of hot water. You can add a pinch of salt and any other seasoning that you want. And for those people that like garlic, you can add a teaspoon of garlic paste at this point. Stir all the ingredients until they're well combined and you have a thick paste. We use the hot water to thin out the mixture. Add in the water slowly until you have the consistency that you want. This tahini sauce is delicious with falafels and works really well with other snacks. Enjoy and thank you for watching.